Wow, yeah, more than a year. More than a year hindi kami nagkita. And then, yeah, sabi ni Guaps Trixie na nasa bahay daw sila, wala daw silang ginagawa. Kaya pupunta kami doon ngayon, guys. Kaya bumili ako nito para, alam nyo yun, kain-kain, ganyan, chika-chika. Kasi for sure marami kaming chika. Matagal na kami hindi nagkita. Powder room. Kasi powder room doon. Ay, mga powder diha. Powder room. Toilet. Kabugo. Kabugo yan. Oh, yes.
Ticket.
Paris took it?
Yes. If I'm in the house.
Sa kalabas na kami. Dito kami sa gilid ng daan nag-park, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Ito ang kanila na. Hello, honey. Hello, honey.
Set my count.
Nak, who are you gonna see? Tita? Trixie. I said crazy. Trixie.
Crazy.
Look at her face.
Ayan. Maglalakad kami, guys. Nandyan lang naman sa harapan na. Sobrang ganda ng araw today, guys. Very, very warm. Dito tayo. Unit 1. You think this is the one?
Hello?
Hello? Ay, nararay ilang balay, guys. Wala na. Okay rin, Montilya na? What's that in your hand, B? Come on, B. Uy, careful, Dede. Come back. Come back.
Saan?
Grabe ning halaag, guys. Hindi kami nagbigay ng notice. Okay, wala tita is here. Yeah! Tita! Pwede video ng papa? Yeah! Sige na. You remember Tita Nak? Ano siya? Ingan siya ba? Ikaw, Tita Trixie siya. Tita Crazy.
Wow,
how are you?
Good, thanks.
Come on in. Hi! Say hi, Tita.
Hello.
Hi, Tita. Wow! Oh, it smells so good, your house. Smells very nice.
So just on laundry.
Uy, careful yan. Nakalamurag. Imong balay na? Ha? Imong balay? Wala ka na ng hid. Parang ako.
Come on, go.
Ikaw, lagi ka karoon dito ba? Teddy bear. Sit down there, Nak. Dito rin, Nak. Okay, comfortable dito, Nak.
Does she want a drink?
Nah, she's fine. She's gonna have Didi for sure soon. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Meet my beautiful friend from representing Butuan.
Butuan.
Yeah, from Butuan. Say hi.
Close phone. Oh.
He's the boy. Hello. It's the food, guys. Oh, request the food already. Kay may mga langaw, mga lecheng langaw. And Paris is living the life there. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, sobrang ganda dito sa kanila, guys. Pang Instagram yung ano na yan. So, it's good to see you again after 10 years.
After 48 years.
Yeah. So, ayan, guys. This is what. Tell me what's your name?
Trixie. From Butuan.
Ayan, guys. Inom-inom kami dito ng ano, ng Coke lang naman.
Coke no sugar.
Yeah, Coke no sugar.
For the girls. And then beers for the
Ang
guys.
ating bilbil ay sobra na.
Ay lumulobo.
Dito lang kami, guys, relax, chika-chika kasi we haven't seen each other for so long. Kaya marami kaming mga chika. Ayan. Sana hindi tayo makapiright kasi merong music sa background, guys. But should be fun. Sobrang ganda ng kalambo. Eh, ito guys. Matara. Guys, mag-tour daw tayo, guys. Tingnan niyo ang kalang bahay. Sobrang ganda. First one is the balcony. Tingnan niyo, guys. Oh, di ba ang ating baby girl doon ay sobrang ganda ng kanyang buhay. Oh my God, guys, I really love their house. Tingnan niyo, guys. Oh, yung floor. Ano to dito, madam?
This office.
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 Ah, Yung guys, so office. And you know what guys, yung bahay nila sobrang mabango. Anong nilagay nyo dito sa bahay niya? Nag-downy kayo sa loob ng bahay. Nag-downy kayo. Nag-downy kayo sa loob ng bahay niyo. I love the plant. Yan. May mga plant din ako sa bahay.
So, we haven't got furnitures. A lot of furnitures yet.
Unsa ni? Pikin ni? Di na furnitures? Di na furnitures? Unsa ni?
It's not complete yet.
Invisible?
Basic ones. Basic ones. Kita kami lang ba? Yeah, so powder room.
Kasi powder room dahil. Ay, mga powder diha. Ay, mga...
Toilet.
Kabugo. Kabugo yan. Toilet. Ano? Ayan. Sobrang linis ng bahay nila, guys. Nahihiya naman ako eh.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, Paris! Hala, homely ka siya. Tikin mo nagpuan kayo baka ng I'm home. You know? Yung feeling. Kitchen. Nasa second floor pala kami, guys. Kasi yung sa baba yung mga room, no?
Yes. Reverse living.
Yeah, reverse living. Oh, di ba? Bongga. May natutunan ako today. TV. Mga photos na dyan. Ayan. Malaking Christmas tree. Sobrang laki talaga. Sobrang Christmas na Christmas talaga dito sa kanila. Oh. Wala na. Uy, anak ko. Careful ya, anak. Let's go. Okay, go down.
Let's go downstairs now.
We'll go have a look downstairs. Thor pa more.
Careful lah, careful.
Oh, careful anak. Anak, ayaw pag skip mang isa. Isa kalapag.
Tumbling ha.
So that's the front door. Ayan, dyan kami pumasok kanina. Alam nga naman sa back door magdaan. Front door, Jude.
And then...
Anak ko, labo.
Wala, palit na po ba?
Okay. So what's in here? Your kuan. Beautiful. Wow. Garden. Halam, tsara na siya. Guwaps kay ka ng low maintenance ba?
Oh.
No, you don't have to mow.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Sorry sa kong labo nun.
So, naglabada ka.
Dito ko sa'yo down nito.
Ito ang kanilang hayhayan. Andito may shed. What's inside here?
Mga box ra.
Patay na lawas. Diba? Oh, if you want box, just contact Trixie.
Grabe ka recycling.
That's very nice, Cops. Uy, dili na kayo ka maglisod. Kuan ba? Putol sagbot. And this one, very easy yung mga beans kasi dito yung, ilabas.
Haba lang siya din yung kay main road.
Yeah, main road, guys. Yung pinakita ko kanina. Ayan dyan. But, easy ko na access sa mga public transport. Asa manapit ang bus
Bus
stop?
na lang, bus din na, bus stop.
Oh,
Yeah, ang train station is about 10 minutes.
Yeah. Oh, lucky. Come, anak, be. Let's go in na. Baba.
Let's go in.
Ayun, naunsa man si Madam Parisyang. Go in. Yay. Uy, wipe your panoy. Tiin.
Try, stairs, under the stairs na storage.
Okay. Ala, that's good.
Yeah, which is...
No, dili mo matang makuan. Hala, tagay kong tips, be, how to keep the house clean all the time.
Uy, Jesus Christ, hugaw pa gani ni.
Oh, di morning, hugaw. Nahiya naman ako sa hugaw. Nahiya naman ako sa dust. Asan dust, be?
Hugaw!
No.
Nabugan pa gani ko.
Uy, pag
So,
sure.
only pang butang sa, paana, magod siya.
Mao din eh, humot pud guys. Kanay lang humot, bisan asa na sila yung mga pahumot.
Para rin ka,
Nice, that's good ba? Kanay mga kuan. Dili ka nang sagbot bitaw tanawon, no?
Yeah.
Naiit na. We'll go
mga,
see the other side of the house na.
More nga storage nga kuan. Dili lang ako gusto huuton ang balay.
Mao lagi kay mag-clutter man siya.
Yeah, nga muna bathroom.
Bathroom! Ayun guys. Ayan, gusto mo inodoro? Ayan, inodoro. Ayan, nakalang bathroom.
Medyo...
What's this one? Is this the main room?
No, this is the second bedroom. For guest lang ni siya. So,
wow.
we use this one first kay I want an expensive bed.
Mao di ay. Oh. Kalami sa kinabuhi dire.
Yes. So,
Wow.
ako siyang i-last ang masters kay gusto na ko mahal akong balito na hagilana. Barat from nili.
Lay ang tulog sa kuan sa mahalog. Mahalog.
No, because you have to invest. Imuha na mo kong balay.
Oh, you know, true.
Paris?
Paris, Nicole?
So, at the moment, hindi man siya filled pa of furniture. So, wala pa lagi ang masters. So, hindi mo na siyang headquarters.
Hindi mo hayayan. Okay, so
Ang kanina.
okay, Mama will give it to you.
Puro na rin ako o tanong.
Puro na alam na. Asan kang Steve? Sa kung garahe?
Nasa shed.
Oh, lovely. Yeah, I know. You're gonna need that space, right?
Napagaling ba? Wala ko na transfer.
Wala. But this will be your main
This
main
will be the
room.
master's.
Yeah.
But I just want an
Yeah, because this is like, is this bigger than this? Guys, hindi kami matatapos sa aming tour kasi ang ating bata ay gustong mag up and down the stairs. Ayan. So what's next? Ito pala guys, ito yung linen cupboard nila.
Yeah.
And this one.
Tawag ano? Yeah. Laundry area.
Laundry, yeah.
Yeah. So, di ba good shape?
Yeah, perfect. I think it's well, layout ba?
Mo gani, ganahan. Ayan, I'll show you the car.
Humot yung kayo, guwaps.
Thank you.
Wow, ito yung bago nilang sasakyan, guys. Wow!
Small but careful.
Very nice. Si Tay-Tay daw niya siya, guys. Si Tay-Tay.
Okay. Suzuki Swift.
Suzuki Swift, oh. Taylor Swift. Sony. Taylor Swift. Yeah. Cool. Tsada siya guwaps kay kuan black. Tala pa yung rims, oh.
Gani, oh.
What is it na?
I'm gonna drive it.
Huh? You gonna drive it? It's the remote. What is it na?
It's cool.
It's so cool. Do you like Tita's car? Ayan guys. Ayan, bagong-bago pa talaga, oh. Amoy bago. Hala, nindot siya, guwaps.
Pwede sila.
Sada kami, palingkura ko, be, sa brand new nga car.
Ayaw. Diba?
Humudjak mo ka diri. Amot na lang, guys. Why is it so smelly? Kuan, smells good here.
Smelly ka dyan.
Smelly, no? Smelly. Nindot kayo, guys. Oh, sana, oh. Sana all na brand new car. Buhon makadaog kong luto, guys. Don't skip the ads, guys. Kimpay tag brand new car. Andyan na, ang kanyang rosary. Ganyan, hindi talaga mawawala yan.
Yeah.
Tapos may Bops? Kanang kuan? Kanang camera? Rear camera, anak? Chuchu?
Oh, careful lang. Unsa?
Naay ka ng...
camera?
Oh, kaniba? Kanang kuan ka, mag-reverse
Oh,
parking, anak. Nindot, guys. Very nice.
Look at parang sa likod. May sakay na.
Hala! Hala! Okay na ka di, anak? Lami kay lingkuran, anak, no? Bago, no? No? You like it?
Yes.
Are we gonna buy one?
Yes.
Can you buy Mama one, anak, please?
No,
No. Buy me one ba? Yung mama nga po, bring kon man eh. Bring ulay.
Ngisi rin si Paris. Dako kay ngisi si Paris. Paris!
Nak, ganahan kay kada, nak? Tinted ni day?
Oo, tinted mo siya kani.
Tinted pala.
Pero ang front
Kaya
lang.
hindi makita. Parang naong, oh. Sa itong baby girl lang. Oh.
Jesus!
Yung ilong. Flat. Oh, nice. Very nice. Excellent choice.
Lagi
Sabi ka
kaya,
din ba?
ipapili sa mo to kay puti or black or gray.
Okay.
Black na lang,
Black.
pili.
Yeah.
Come here. You like it?
Swift.
Yes.
Suzuki Swift. Did you like your experience, Nak? Nak, did you like your experience?
Yes.
Tell daddy, buy car, ha? Ha?
Go.
Let's go daw. Let's go. Let's buy
Sige
one.
na, ignan na to, ah. Sobrang ganda. Mga bago din sila tanan diri. Waps, no?
Duha naman ito.
Ani, bago ni sila nga gi-build, no?
7 years.
That's not bad, yeah. It's like, I know, may ubang mga houses diya ba? At Bango, di ba?
Yung mga karaan. Dili ata ni 7 years na siya.
Yeah. Very nice.
Watch your car. I'm the
Unsa daw na?
watch your car.
Unsa daw na?
I'm the watch your car.
Thank you kay Sapator sa kanilang mansyon at Sapator sa kanilang sasakyan.
You're welcome.
Ato na mi sa iyang daddy kay mga imig sakyanan bago.
May sakyan.
Dali na kay istorya oy mga imig sakyanan bago.
No, we're not going in anymore.
We can go in anymore, nak. It's locked.
Diba? Did you like it?
Okay, thank you, tita.
Tita.
You're welcome.
Hello, guys. Say hi sa tita. Hi, tita. Kakauwi lang namin, guys. It is now... What time is it now? What time is it? It's now 9:30 ng gabi. And ang ating baby girl ay nakatulog sa car. Tapos, pagdating namin dito ay nagising siya. And ayan, gusto nang magdidi. Oh, naap na lang mamali. Naap na lang. Nag-stop na lang kami sa guys, sa Red Rooster kasi si Daddy Mike gusto niyang bumili ng pagkain niya for dinner. And ako guys, busog naman ako kasi kumain kami kanina kina Guapa, Trixie, and Steve. Thank you very much for having us. We enjoyed the company. Sobrang enjoy kami, guys. Is that doggies?
My daddy gave a hat down.
Oh, the hat. Is Daddy falling down?
The hat from the
What happened to Mommy?
I said, oh no.
Oh no. Why? What's wrong?
Here's this white hat. I can wear it all from my face. Oh no.
Oh no.
This is my butter in the fence.
Really?
That is. Is it pink?
Guys, it's already 10 o'clock. Ipapatulog na natin to siya. Pero gusto pa niyang magbasa ng libro. Knock, knock. Knock, knock.
Huh?
What's that?
Oh, it's just the books.
Knock, are we setting up our Christmas tree tomorrow?
Outside.
Outside the Christmas tree.
No, park scene.
Huh?
Park.
In the park?
Yes.
No, we can set up the Christmas tree at the park. Inside the house.
We can place the bowl.
Very, very nice.
The stack.
Huh?
The butter.
Yeah. Nak, did you enjoy your time with Tito Steve and Tita Trixie?
Tita, say.
Yes, say thank you, Tita and Tito, for having us.
Okay, the bathroom. Get the candies.
Yeah, ice cream and candies.
Okay, 4.
Huh?
It's 3.
3. Well, did you love the swing, Nak? And the balcony? That's very nice, wasn't it?
Okay, push it together.
That's right. Yeah, and there's fly too.
Good.
Oh, yes.
Patrick it.
Paris took it.
Yes. If I in the fire, if I in the house.
Yeah, the fly went inside the house. Zzz. But Paris took it. Yeah?
The Tito took it.
Tito took it too?
No, one took it.
Oh, Paris took it. Okay.
I took it in the house.
In the house. That's
Yes.
right. How many fly?
1,
Just
2,
one?
2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, 5. And did you sing? What did you sing?
The fly. The fly. Army. The fly. Army. The fly. Army. I forgot something. The fly. Army. The fly. Dummy. The fly. Dummy. Oh, my ear.
I feel like a morning star.
Look at the books.
Look at the books.
My name.
Look at the books.
Tito's.
Kailangan ko pang maghilamos, guys. And oh my God. Ang aking mata ay nagiging dry na naman dahil sa aking, contact lens. And you know what? Si Daddy Mike ay nanonood ng kanyang TV. Anong tawag nito eh? Yung NBA ba? Tapos ngayon, chinek ko siya. And nagano na, natutulog na ang ating Daddy Mike. It's been a long day. Pero ang batang ito, kasi nakatulog siya sa sasakyan kanina, gising na gising pa rin.
What's that?
Who's that? Who's that?
Is
Who? Who?
I'm just kidding.
Hurry up. Is that a witch?
No, this is not the witch.
What is that then?
It's mommy.
It's mommy. Anyways, guys, iyan na natin yung vlog dito kasi sobrang late na. Kumakanta pa ang ating baby girl. Maraming salamat for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Yeah, but before mag-shoutout lang tayo, guys. The first shoutout goes to Queen Survivor TV, Jancy Pinay, Australia, Ivy Haoshan, Lina Olivares, Carlota Pedro, Cherry May Ongayo, and also shoutout daw to Ian Justin Pharmacy, pati din daw kay Ana Myra Bandiala. Shout out to Chari Salazar, Christine Namayan, Lynn Ahmad, Marde Pido, Zarina G. Story time. Hang on, last one. Mitch Cantumayor, Romela Aparicio, Revelyn Lagitin. Shout out to Daisy Anhao, Maribel Santos, Itis Antoja, Ronald Balaba, Daya Magallanes, GD Daniel, and Lisan Bansil. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up sa lagi. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Bye.
Come close. Close.